This astonishing AI trading algorithm bot literally took $300 of mine and turned it into $600. But what you're gonna see here is going to shock you. Stay tuned. If you wanna be updated daily with these case studies, as well as what's in the know for the news and everything trading related, such as tutorials, etc., just take a look down below. There's actually a link to join the free Telegram channel where we provide content on a day-to-day basis for free for everybody to learn. And again, just go ahead and check it out. So what makes this so special? Well, check this out. As you can see, I just went ahead and funded a brand new account, and I put roughly $2,900 or so in here, and you can see right over here, and it already started not even a few hours ago, and it's already going out there trading automatically day in and day out with the particular capital that I have allocated towards it right now. As you can see, all the trades as it happens. So this is pretty powerful stuff. So people want to know exactly, well, what is the difference between manual trading and artificial intelligence doing it for you? And is it even safe? Well, those are some pretty good questions, and let's dive into it. Believe it or not, 97% of day traders lose money over time, and less than 1% of day traders are actually profitable. So here's the thing, is that the reason why people are not really good long-term with day trading is because emotions get involved, and also timing when it comes to the markets and moving faster than other hedge funds and other institutions that are utilizing algorithms like this, which is pretty dang cool that the average person now has the ability to use the same algorithms that typically and traditionally the 1% only had access to, which is, again, in my opinion, really unique and pretty astonishing just because of how fast the world is evolving with AI technology. Really insane. So let me break this down for you so you get a really clear visual of how this works. So as you can see, over the course of 99 days, it's pretty much returned almost 100% on my initial capital invested. But then here's the question is, well, do you go ahead and are you able to withdraw? So I had the same questions because there's one thing with seeing numbers on the screen, but if you can't withdraw your money with all the horror stories we've seen out there, what's the point? And that's why I put in such little capital at first, and then it worked out extremely well. So let me actually show you this to dispel any disbeliefs when people say, well, you can't withdraw. Well, take a look. This is one particular account where I actually deposited $4,560, and even after fees and whatnot, I was able to withdraw $10,115. So $10,115 subtracted by what I put in was roughly about $555 profit for this particular trading algorithm, trading for me day in and day out. So how many trades did it actually take? Did it work? And how exactly was I able to go out there and utilize the same thing in order to double my money? Now I wish I put in a lot more, but I digress. So here's actually a trading report as it happens, because what they do and how this works is essentially you deposit funds in and they group it into a massive fund, and then they leverage those massive funds with the algorithm to get in and out of trades very, very fast. But here, I'm gonna keep it super transparent. Not every single trade is a winner. Sometimes it loses big, sometimes it wins really, really big as well. So overall, it's extremely profitable to use. So one of the reasons why I really liked this was because of the banks that actually back the liquidity provider. So what does this mean exactly? Well, the liquidity provider is the people that actually go ahead, or the institution that basically backs your money. So we know that there's liquid capital in there to give back to investors. So you can see UBS, Citibank, Barclays, etc. And that really gave me a lot of confidence to even deposit more. So during this entire case study, I'm going to be letting it run for this entire year, different amounts, keep putting more in and see where it goes. Now, this is also really cool. Check this out. As you can see, roughly $2,896. And this is all of the trades that the actual AI is using. And what they do is they actually just deposit the profits into your account as the trades come in and as it goes every single day. So you're able to watch it in real time, which is really, really powerful. Now, before I go ahead and let you go and tell you exactly how you can learn about all of this, because again, setting this all up is kind of a little bit of a process here, and it would require a completely different tutorial. Thus, I don't want to waste anybody's time who doesn't truly care about this artificial intelligence trading algorithm bot. So again, the links will be in the description down below. However, take a look at this. As you can see, this has been running for the last 2+ years, and the max drawdown has been 1.41%. But what does that mean? Well, the algorithm itself has only lost, for every $100, it's lost a max of $1.41 on the capital. But as you can see, the monthly is roughly 14% on average, the daily 0.44. Now this isn't astronomical numbers. There's other different sites that are like 70%, 100% a month. No. Now this is one of the reasons why my alarm didn't go off in regards to it being, you know, false or a scam or anything of the sorts, was because it's promising, yes, compounded, it almost seems unrealistic, but given in comparison to the 70, 80, 100% returns being touted on every other platform, but this seems a lot more realistic, especially with the audited record as well, which again is really interesting. And I'm just giving you all of my findings, letting you know exactly what I see. And if we were to go ahead and take a look down below, we can see in 2022, every single month, the average was roughly what, 14% or so, but some months 10%. In May it hit 20%, which is incredible. And again, we can see the consistency is relatively decent. So if we just take a look inside of May 2022, we can see exactly all the trades and see everything that's happening inside of this particular account, because again, it's public, it's audited, all of that. If you're somebody who wants to go ahead and learn how to set this all up, I didn't want to bore everybody with a 40 to 50 minute video, step by step, etc. I did create an entire write-up on my blog that goes ahead and describes everything in step-by-step format, as well as don't forget to join the Telegram channel so you can see every single day the results and news and updates and much more. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like, consider subscribing, and if you need any help whatsoever with questions, comments, or concerns, leave them in the comments down below. I'll see you all very soon.